So we'll just move on to one of the few important questions, actually, one of the several chapters we already have discussed. Now let's see what sort of questions being asked from them. We'll just look at this question. It says, you just copy these questions. So it says that enthalpy of formation at 298 K is given for PbO and CO2, and the enthalpy change for the reactions needs to be calculated. And in another example, 1 mole of copper is quenched from 1000 K to 300 K, and the amount of heat released is, again, you have to calculate the enthalpy change. In both the equations you need to calculate the enthalpy changes. So let's see how to calculate this enthalpy changes. Okay. Right. So in the first questions, it's given, let's go back to the board. So your reaction is 2 PbO plus C gives rise to 2 Pb plus CO2, right? So enthalpy change for the entire reaction you have to calculate. So what you have been given, so this is the reactants, how you need to solve. This is the products and this is the reactants. So enthalpy change is enthalpy of, everything is occurring at 298. So 298 of products minus 298 reactants. Right? This is how it's very straightforward. So here in the product, you see the enthalpy formation of CO2 and PbO were given, and the entire enthalpy change needs to be calculated, right? So for pure solid, the enthalpies are not mentioned because so there's a question of this. So how do we do that? Right. So simply we can do just a product minus reactant. Let's see.